Hello, dear friend. Ultimately, DeepSeek AI has been released in China, Hongzhou. It's the best free open source alternative of ChatGPT, and it's a very useful. Its data is very accurate, dear friends. It's the best competitor of ChatGPT, OpenAI, and Google AI, dear friends. In today's tutorial, we will download and we will learn how to use this for various type of works, dear friend. We can use this on mobile, we can use on our desktop, and we can write codes, dear friend. Today's class will be very interesting. Listen till the end, don't skip the video. All parts, and in 2 and 3 days millions of people have downloaded DeepSeek AI, dear friend. This is a total free open source models, and less than $6 billion it has been created, and less than 200 workers have been working here, where for chat gpt more than 4,000 workers, employees have been working, dear friend. This is so fantastic app. So let's go into our DeepSeek, how to use it. Hello, dear friend. For downloading DeepSeek AI, you have to come to any browser. Just type DeepSeek AI and you will come here. You see, this is actually the official website. You see here, chat with DeepSeek AI, your intelligent assistance for coding etc. We will just click here. Once you click here, you have to log in with Google. No, millions of people are downloading every moment, so it may be take some time. Otherwise, you can directly log in. I have a, you see, I have a login and I have made my password. I have created my password here and confirm. You have to click confirm, and from here you have to directly log in. Once you log in, you see here, this is the DeepThink R1. Here this is actually module. You can search on the web when necessary some things, and here you see we will download on the mobile. Here it's my profile. You see, I have made my profile, and from here you can go for settings. Here you can change the system language. This is now English and Chinese. So I will, because it has been made in China, so it is English is the language, Chinese language here, and English is also system language is default here. You can select here a theme. You can take dark themes, it will be more pleasant to your eyes. Otherwise you can take this default light theme here, and we just take dark themes here. And from here you can do these settings. After these settings, you can log out. If you want to log out, you can contact us. From here you can contact, you can write to here something. Check DeepSeek activities. Here you can check here, these are the activities you can monitoring, investing. We are currently investing the issues, some issues they are working every time. So you see, this is the monitoring website here. Subscribe to update. You can, if you want, you can subscribe, update, write your email. For example, I write my email and subscribe via. If there will be any update, we will get notification here. So once we close here, and from here you can do any type of settings. Delete chat. For example, I want to delete this chat, I can delete. And we can change the settings. You know, this is profile settings. You can change your number, everything. So okay, this is actually the online module. Here we type anything. I write here, for example, I want to search the history of America. I will write the history of USA, and we will search. You see, it's so fast, it's a searching. It's a searching it. You see, the history of America. Indigenous peoples inhabited the America for thousands of years before European contact. This diverse culture included the Navajo, Cherokee, Iroquois, Sioux, and many others. Colonial era, 1492, Christopher Columbus voyage marked the beginning of European exploration in the Americas. This you see, this all it's a very fast. I want to write anything. European Union. What's European Union? And I will type. You see, it has provided us accurate data. The European Union is a political and economic union of 27 countries that work together to promote peace, stability, and prosperity. It is one of the most significant and unique international organization in the world. For example, I want to write Da Vinci Resolve. Da Vinci. Resolve. You see DaVinci Resolve here. DaVinci Resolve is a professional video editing softwares. You see, we can read here. It's widely used in the film and television industry for its powerful color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio production capability. Here are some key features and component of DaVinci Resolve. You see how fast it has provided here, and I want to. You can see the history which you have. You see, I have already searched this, and from here you can share the new chats. If you want to delete renames, you can delete from here. For example, I want to delete here, and here this I want to delete. Okay, delete it. Anytime you can come to your profile settings here, you can share, delete chat, contact, etc. From here you see close the sidebar. It will be sidebar will be closed and it will be open here. This is a search the web when necessary. This is a use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. If you have any reasoning problems, this is the modules you can use online here. From here, text correction only, you can upload documents and image here to correct here. If you have any image documents, you can directly from here you can send and add. For example, I want to add this document, we can add here. Okay, so first we come here how to download the offline. Actually you can use this offline if you don't want to make secret. Some you have serious data and it will be breached and maybe compromised. You can come here to offline here to GitHub web page here. From here you can download. You see this is the module we can download, DeepSeek R1. We come here, we click, and there are several modules. You see, it depends upon your computer's speed of computer. You see this is a 1.1 GB it will take. It's the smallest module you can use download. This is the second 7B. This is 4.7 gigabyte. This is very, you see, 404 gigabyte. If you have lots of coding works you want to use, and you can use, and you have to use this in a command prompt and a copy, and you have to run from here. You can offline you can use, you can get all instruction here, and we can read here. You see DeepSeek, this is the comparison actually between DeepSeek RI and OpenAI. Here you see 79, this is accurate here. OpenAI RI here you can see 7.26. Here you can compromise the result. You see this result is it's a better than, you see ChatGPT here 19.8 here only. You see 9.73 here. Same way accuracy is 19.64 here. This data here 91.8 as you see everywhere. It's better than here. You see it's so accurate, dear friends. It's so cheap, and it has made, it's the big competitor now to ChatGPT, OpenAI. You can read this here. DeepSeek AI1 Distill Llama 70B license. You can read from here everything's on GitHub page. It's on GitHub page. Here you can see the codes, everything is available here. And so if you want, for example, I want to download this module, we will come here and we can download here this module. Download for Windows, Linux. If you have Mac OS, for example, I have Windows, I will download this for Windows here, dear friend. Downloads for Windows, and it will download for window. It will be downloaded, and you will set there in the command prompt you have to download, and there are several processes you can check on internet, and in this way you can download and you can run it offline, dear friend. Here you can start chatting as I have told you, and here you see DeepSeek V capabilities. Here you can check the benchmark. It's a very accurate, and you can try, dear friend. Nowadays millions of people have been downloading every time. Sometimes it may be not working because there are lots of trafficking there, but in 2-3 days it will be more stable. So now, and you can check benchmark here. Here you can start chatting now once you created your account, as I have told you. From here, or you can come to GitHub web, this free open source software, because this is very open source software, dear friend. You can check here. You see this all the benchmark here. You can compare with OpenAI ChatGPT. You see it's a surpassing everywhere. It's a competing so fast, so strongly, dear friend. It's so new, and 2 and 3 days millions of people have downloaded and have been using in 2025. It's the big hope for a dream for us, for this DeepSeek AI. AI we can use for our daily tasks, dear friend. It's totally free. From here you can check all all type of evaluation report here. DeepSeek R1 evaluation report here, benchmark metric category here, and you can compare with ChatGPT, dear friend. Hello dear friend, if this tutorial is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel for more updates. I will in future make more update compare with ChatGPT, and I will take more modules to check the performance and stability, dear friend. For don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. It will help them a lot. And you go to my playlist for software update, you can see there are lots of software update, dear friend. Now actually we will see how we can download this on mobile, and we can use this the best open source AI modules on our mobile, dear friend. Hello dear friend, we have come to our mobile now. For DeepSeek AI, we have come to our Google Play Store here. We'll just click here, and we will type here DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI, we will click. You see this is ChatGPT online. Here you see DeepSeek AI. We have to come to the site here, and you can read about this app. 4.7 into 3 days, you see its ranking is 4.7. And here you can read all. DeepSeek AI is an incredible app, especially for coding projects. You see it has Karan Mandal has written this review on Google Play Store. Here I am speechless. This is a very powerful. I am looking for a voice call feature to be added as well, as which can be really very interesting. Even visual assistant mode can be very good thing for whom are visually impaired. All I think say these features will be added in futures here. And after reading this, we directly come here to install. We'll just click here to install. You see now we are installing DeepSeek AI assistant here. You can download and you can anytime use. Now open. I will open it. It has opened. You have to click on agree terms and policy. You can read agree. I agree. And you can go with your email address, or you can write your email address here, or you can go with your Google account. I want to go with my Google account. Okay, I will take this my email. Now I'm opening with this my email here. And now you see we have already entered in our DeepSeek here. I am here. How can I help you? I want to write here anything. So you can write here, for example, Python. What's a Python? Now it will search. You see it has written the history of Pythons. We can read here Python is a high level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation. Here are some key features of Python. You see very fast it write. No, I write coding. What's a coding? It's insane. Its performance is very fast and very accurate, better than OpenAI, this ChatGPT, and it's a totally free. You can use this, dear friend. You see, it's just so fast. You see, I am so amazed, so surprised to see such a fantastic app software released in 2025. No, okay. No, I want to write. Please write code. Write code for screen recording software. Screen recording software. You see here it's a writing code for screen recording software. So you can use this AI module for writing coding, dear friend. It will help you a lot to write codings, and you can use, and if you are programmer and even other person, you can use for your field. You are translator, you are inventor, or you are research scholar, you can use day to day for your tasks. You see here it's just so impressive. Its performance is very impressive, and it has been created within $6 billion, where ChatGPT was created spending billions of dollars, and more than 4,000 employees are working here. Here 200 employees are working here. It's a totally open source module. You can get the code on GitHub website, the free open source software website there. And you can download the offline modules which I showed you. You go to the GitHub, and from there, so on the Olama website you can get the, and you will run offline. I don't want to run offline because it will take consume your RAM, GPU, and it will take a space to your computer. If you have secret work, if you done, if you thinks your data will be compromised, you can use offline version. Download, dear friend, try. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you, dear friend. And in future I will upload more about this, all the updates about DeepSeek AI, and try this, and you can do a lots of things from here. Once I have downloaded to our computer, it will be mobile, and it will be always on your mobile. You see, I have DeepSeek Seek AI here, and you can go for settings here. You see, I have history from here. You can change the system language for I can take dark theme. Done. No, our mobile will be in dark here. It's connected with my Google account here. I can change language here. Now these languages are available. You can change any language. If you can change Bangla, Belarusian language, any Chinese, Japanese. I use English. It will be in English here, and everything is okay. You can always check for update. So I will use this knob for our writing on YouTube, for our descriptions. It will help me a lot because this is totally free, and it will help me a lot, dear friend. You can use this. Please subscribe the channel for more updates, dear friend. Hello, dear friend, we have gone through all how to use DeepSeek AI. If this class is helpful to you, please subscribe the channels, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial, dear friend. Write in the comment box how do you use this DeepSeek AI, how you will you use this DeepSeek AI in your daily works, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.